Okay, everybody, it's time. I think Bridget is done growing, so it is time to start making our graph. Now, the first thing that you have to do when you do a graph is you have to name the graph so that people know exactly what it is that you're measuring. So the first graph that we're going to make is we're going to show the data of Bridget being measured by paper clips. So we're going to call this Alligator, spell it right, growth with paper clips. So I'm going to capitalize that so it looks like a title. Okay, alligator growth with paper clips. So then in order to get some numbers, I have to put some numbers up the side of this graph. So I started, and now I'm going to keep adding all the way up the top so that when I'm counting, I can use the numbers as a guide. Okay, let's see, getting all the way up here. I'll go to the top. Okay, now on the bottom, I need to put the dates. So what I can do is just put 4-6-20, and then 4-7-20, and then 4-8-20, whoops, 4-9-20, and the next one was 4-10, 4-10-20, and then we skipped a couple days, and I have 4-13-20. Then what I will do is I will go back to my measurements, and I will count, and I will color in the blocks all the way up the graph, and I'll color in these blocks all the way up depending on how many paper clips are on the sheet. Okay, so that's what you're going to do to create your first alligator bar graph.